Well, hello, boys and girls. I'd like to say hello to my grandchildren, Israel, Judah, Gracelyn, Jeremiah, and Raylyn, and to all the other boys and girls who might be listening to us. I am Sister Lisa, GrandStar to my grandchildren, and I have with me here my puppets, Mark and Sandy. And today we're going to be talking to you about God showing us His ways. You know, there's a verse in the Bible that says, "Show me thy ways, O Lord." And another place says that God's ways are past our finding out. That means we have to pray and seek God's will for our life. And that's what we're talking about. Our way is talking about our daily life, this path. It's not a road that we can see, but what it means is from day to day, God has taken us someplace. He's taken us somewhere in a spiritual journey. We are learning more about Him. We're trying to live for Him. And Papa has sang a song called "Fill My Way Every Day with Love." You know, one day, in the morning when you wake up, you go to bed at night. The next morning you get up, go to bed at night. You do things all throughout the day. And we want that day to be filled with love as we go through learning in school and going about and helping our moms and dads and going out making friends, inviting people to church, and all the different things that we do in life. When we color, when we build things, all that stuff, we want to work for God's kingdom. Fill my way every day with love. And so that's what this song right here is. And you sing with Mark and Sandy.
Let me walk, blessed Lord, in the ways out of dark, leading straight to the land above, giving cheer everywhere to the sad and the lone. Fill my way every day with love. Oh, fill my way every day with love. As I walk with the heavenly dove, let me go all the while with the song and the smile. Fill my way every day with love. Keep me close by the side of my Savior and God. Let me never in darkness roam. Keep my path free from wrath and my soul satisfied. Fill my way every day with love. Oh, fill my way every day with love. As I walk with the heavenly dove, let me go all the while with the song and a smile. Fill my way every day with love. Soon the race will be o'er, and I'll travel no more, but abide in my home up above. Let the scene, blessed King, all the way to the shore. Fill my way every day with love. Oh, fill my way every day with love. As I walk with the heavenly dove, let me go all the while with the song and smile. Fill my way every day with love. Oh, fill my way every day with love. As I walk with the heavenly dove, let me go all the while with the song and smile. Fill my way every day with love.
Very good. Every day with love.
Yeah, I'm so glad you filled me with love.
Me too. God bless you, boys and girls. I love you.